Can I hear about combining scrotal cream and injections? I feel best with cream twice a day, but the second application is very hard due to work and travel. Think about 100 milligrams test sip twice a week with no PM cream.
I don't know who came up with this, but God damn it. No, just no. Pick one, go with it. You're not going to be able, we cannot manage that many variables and have any level of consistency when you're using a non-esterized short version combined with a long version with so many variables of absorption versus injection frequency. Way too many chefs in the kitchen. Pick the one that works best for you. I favor the injections. You feel good with cream, God bless. If you can't do creams twice a day, well, there's your answer. There's your answer. Another reason I don't like creams is adherence. In a perfect world, yes, they work fine. In the real world, people forget. People forget. And when people forget, bad things happen, right? So I'll give you an example. I went to the Silverback Summit. I was down in Florida for a week. I did an injection before I left, and I didn't feel like traveling with it that week. So I missed my midweek injection. I was fine. My T levels didn't really change a whole lot, and I felt okay. If I was on creams and I forgot that tube at home for a week, not being on my cream for a week, I mean, I'd be crashed the next morning. I probably wouldn't even be able to speak, let alone get out of my hotel room. So I like injections for many reasons. If you are good with the creams, fine, stick with the creams. Do them the way you're prescribed. Do them twice a day. It's not that serious. Just make it a habit. Once you do it all the time, you do it all the time. Diabetics have to inject before every meal if they're a type 1. They can't say, well, it's inconvenient for me or I forgot to do it. This is your medication, okay? They have an insulin issue and you have a testosterone issue. Fix it. Use your medicine. And if you can't use it, ask for a format that doesn't require administration twice a day. Do it twice a week with injections. To mix the two, you're complicating the issue. Please stop doing this hybrid nonsense. It's bunk.
Okay, that's clear advice.